how to use coupons on Shein. If you're a Shein shopper like me, then you know how amazing it is to save money on your orders. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Shein coupon codes to score great discounts. Before we get into how to use the Shein codes, let's talk about where you can find Shein coupon codes. The Shein app itself and the Shein website, you'll find a pop-up banners or a dedicated coupon section which has the latest discount codes and offer. Now that you know where to find the codes, let's move on to applying them during the checkout. Here's how you can simply use the Shein coupon code. Open the Shein app or Shein website. Start by adding all the items you want to buy to your shopping cart. Simply add to cart like this. Now, after you've added your items to cart, tap on cart. As you can see here. Now, in your cart, simply tap on checkout. Log into your account. After you've done that, you'll see a field that says enter coupon code or promo code. Simply type or paste a Shein coupon code into the box. Once you've entered the code, click the apply button. You should see the discount applied immediately, either as a percentage off or a fixed dollar amount. Verify that the coupon has been applied before proceeding to payment. And that's it. That's how you simply apply coupon codes on Shein.